Okay, welcome to the stream, everybody. If you're on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Okay, everything is safe. I think so. Double check. Yeah, I'm good. All right. So today I'm just doing, I want to get through a lot of this checklist. I still got to make the, remake the skill trees. That's something I've got to do, but yeah. I want to get a lot of this done, all this other bullshit done and out of the way, and then I feel like I can move on. And then hopefully I'm just like onto this bit. Then once this is done, we're onto playtesting. Once playtesting is done, I'm onto the next bit of the game. I can move on, and I'll be 50% complete, which is big. So, hello Dark Void, hello Nerd Mansion. First, well done. You're both first, technically. It's a shame YouTube doesn't have any like anything like that. It doesn't have rewards, it doesn't really have emotes. But what can you do? How you doing, Dark Void? How you doing, Nerd Mansion? I hope that Cat Survivors is going well. Did you manage to add any evolved weapons yet? Did you work out what you're going to do about death or victory? And please tell me if the music is too loud. I might turn it down a little bit more. So this morning I was messing around with sprites and the sprite player, and I've added in, well, I actually want to test it on a boss. I've added in like the most subtle of subtle animations. Like you won't even notice it. Oh, I thought you weren't gonna notice it, but you do notice it a lot. Yeah. Yeah, that's very noticeable on the big boss, isn't it? The scaling up and down and stuff. It's not noticeable on these guys. It looks good on these guys. Like, you wouldn't even notice. Okay, and that's broken. It's broken. Okay, let me think about that real quick. I think I might do what Magic Survivors does. At a certain time, a boss appears that itself is endgame, but if you kill him, you get endless mode for that stage. But I'm not going to add that in just yet. Okay. It's good to have a plan though, and know what you're doing. So let's see. Picked ability logic. We use the ability. We had points that we wanted to go. Our animation index was 0. So this should have happened, which it did. I watched it happen. And then we didn't get through the away. So I watched it happen. Let's see. There's so the issue is that the ability didn't happen, right? Because this signal didn't go off, right? Special ability go, and I need that signal. 10th, hello. Welcome to the stream, mate. I'm doing good. Well, yesterday, I was drawing for like 12 hours. I managed to finish the Earth Dragon though. But I've been drawing for like 12 hours and now my hand is killing me. Absolutely killing me. But so I'm gonna have to rest it for a while. But other than that, I'm doing great. How are you doing? Did you decide to go back to Unity? Are you doing a Unity game now? Have you made a decision? Index was 0. Let's do some printing. Yes, Unity. Okay. Fair enough. Then let's see. Let's make sure that let's see if this happens. Let's print special Go frame. Special 1 Go frame. Am I working today? Nerd Mansion. I am not. It's a Saturday. I am not working today. And I assume you have the day off as well. It's gonna be kind of sad when you start doing day shifts again. It's gonna be kind of sad for me not seeing you every day. I'm off. I'm deving. Good. Doing the secret story stuff. All right. Let me think. Yeah. Let's just print that. See what's up. I was just thinking that. Oh, I was like, man, when I go to day shift, I'm going to be able to watch his streams anymore. Wow. Your sleep is far more important than watching my stream. Actually, don't pause it there. Pause it there. Okay. Catch me on the weekends. Yeah, that's great. Picked ability logic. Used ability. Right. I had a feeling. I did have a feeling that this was superfluous. Superfluous. What a word. Superfluous. 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 Hang on. Hang on 1 second. Special animation. Hero. I need this function right here. Function play special animation. Special 1. Okay. Okay. Superfluous. A weird way to say that word. Why isn't superfluous?
Superfluous.
Yeah. How do you say this word? He doesn't know. He doesn't know how to say it. Orgulous. Yeah. Orgulous. Orgillion. That would be a good name for an elf. Orgillion. Wild Orgillion. think I fixed it, by the way. Right? Let's see. I didn't fix it. It's going twice, look. Why would it be going twice? Special animation 0 and then special animation 1. Oh no, that's okay. That's current animation index, that's fine. Special go frame equals -1. Oh, but that's never gonna happen because it's at -1. I love how the refactor... You meant to refactor something and it gets simpler and simpler each time you refactor. But I refactored this system and it's gotten more complicated. Okay. This is the one. I've fixed it. And then we got to think about the sprite. Okay. Now, there's something else I want to do. The scale animations, I want to make this like 0.2. Okay. Then we want to reduce this number depending upon... Okay. This is where you need an export. Okay. Scale animation edition. I'll think about an export. I'm not hugely a fan of it. It would be scale idle animation edition, and then it would be scale fabric animation edition, which was 1.5. 0.5, yeah, 7, which looks good. I think that looks good. It's very subtle, but it looks good. And then what we do is if battle hero dot size equals is equal to 4, boss scale idle animation edition equals 0.001, and your scale attack animation edition equals 0.005. Okay, let's see what that looks like. And then we'll add the Earth Dragon in. Why not? Let's do the Earth Dragon. I put all that effort in yesterday and my hand is fucking killing me. That's still too big. That still looks way too big. Wow. Wow, I can't believe I have to do this. Equals coming through. Print. Battle hero. That background is gorgeous. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, there's the one background I need to fix. And I need to do it. Yeah, I have to do it. I have to do it. Oh, by the way, this is done. Okay. Redo the town background. And I think I have to make a special castle joyous guard background. The last battle. Yeah, I think I have to do that, and it can be a nice view actually. It'd be too bad. All right. But I can't do that today. I need to take a break today from drawing, unfortunately. All right, so right side hero happened. So it is happening. You wouldn't think that scale would be so aggressive. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I never put it in here. Let's see. What an idiot. Okay. Good. Fine. Alright, let's have a look now. I forgot to put the variable in the actual function. If that makes sense. Okay. It still needs to be a little bit... I need to lower that, I guess. 0.5. Let's have a look at that. Yeah. Okay, it's super subtle now. You can't even... That... You can notice it growing a little bit when it attacks, but you can't even see anything happening on the idol. So actually that's too low. 5. Does the 5th melee just sit there in the back because there are already 4? Yeah, if you have 5 melee characters, then the 5th is useless. Yeah, unless you have a character with a spear or a like a halberd or a glaive. Those weapons can go 2 tiles ahead, but of course. By the way, it looks good now. By the way, but of course there's no characters currently in the game who can use spears or halberds or glaives. I'm adding that in the next region. In let's see. The next region. So, like up here in the north, there's like the Viking area, and you can recruit a Valkyrie, and the Valkyrie will have a spear. And I'm thinking about having an Amazon as well, who can also use a spear. And then down here in the Chinese sort of area, they'll have like a guy with a glaive who can attack 2 squares ahead of him. So let's add in the Earth Dragon. Originally, I was gonna have it so that like any sort, like a knight could use multiple different types of weapons, but it was going to be a lot more work. So I made it just so they can I have one type of weapon. Let's see, Earth Dragon remake attack. This folder is empty. Oh. Weird. Hang on. Paranoia. Earth Dragon attack 1. And you know what? This is a good time to start doing this because I need to do this anyway. I need to start compressing my PNGs so that they are smaller. So this is a good time to do that. All right. Overwrite, even if they are larger. Overwrite same. PNG type indexed. Add files. Grand Fantasy. Battle Sprites remake enemy. Earth Dragon remake attack. I can keep on adding, can't I? I can do it all in one go. Death. Idle. Special 1. Special 2. Walk. Okay, go. Now this takes a while, but it's well worth it. You'll see like the size of the original and then it'll optimize down to like 17. Look at that. That's insane. But yeah, it takes a while. What is CPU or GPU? %. I think it's using the GPU. Is it? Wait, no. That's OBS is using the GPU. Holy shit. Look how much the OBS is using the GPU. That's insane. Where's PNG? 6% CPU. Okay. Yeah, this is something I'm gonna do from now on, I think. Just 'cause it's gonna save so much space. It doesn't quite matter. Like when on export, it probably won't make a difference, but just for me, making backups and copying over files and stuff, I think it's going to matter. But we'll see what the quality's like. If the quality goes down after the compression, then I don't think I can do it. I'll know when it's finished when I can actually click on this window again. I know it's frozen. Oh wow. True. Awesome. Okay. Are we done yet? Yes, we are done. Okay. Okay. So let's have a look at this. See if the quality has gone down. I don't think it would have. Yeah. I mean, you could probably notice if you zoom in all the way, there's a difference, but there's no shot you notice. All right. So attack. It should overwrite. Does it import the correct size as well? It does sort of. Okay, cool. Def. You have to make sure you click on the right folder, otherwise it does weird stuff. It's kind of annoying. It's not that annoying, but... Okay. Idle. Special. Ooh. They're named incorrectly. Okay, hang on. Hang on 1 second. It's pretty annoying. Ooh. Oh, Nerd Mansion, are you still there? I want to do. I wasn't able to watch your stream. I went to bed. But did you finish that demo? Okay. Did finish it. How long was it? Because I was thinking I would give it a go as well. I'll have to, well... Wait. 2, 2, 1. Okay. Special 2, 1. Special 2, 1. Special 2, 2. Like that. I think. Okay, let's try again. Right? Yeah. Oh, you didn't finish it. Oh, okay. It's quite long then. But you were reading every single line. You were reading all of it. All right. Let's have a look what this Earth Dragon looks like. I'm sure it looks pretty good. Looks like it's a lot bigger, and I'm going to have to do some adjustments. Yeah. Maybe dragons should be really big. Ooh. Wait. Wait. It's missing a frame. It is, isn't it? It's such a good game to play off stream for me because I love to read and get the story contents, but playing it online was hard because all that reading is exhausting. Not a streamer friendly game, but if you want to read, if you ain't reading, then it's a game for you. I need to practice my reading anyway. Making voices and things, I think it's a lot of fun. Earth Dragon. All right. So let's move you up here. Right. Then I'm interested in why. Let's slow down your attack animation slightly. Maybe you can slow that down, I'm not sure. Also, it didn't make any sound when it attacked. Do I want to make it slightly 0.6? 0.6. I assume this is 0.6 as well. No, apparently not. Instantiate anti-magic effect. Okay, now we can tell what size it should be. Transform, let's go 0.5. Then anti-magic effect. Transform. Sorry, no, visual effect. There we go. Cool. Quinton Lattimore, hello. Welcome to the stream, mate. Good to meet you. How long has it taken you to get to this state of your game? I started in February, March, so 9 months. 9 months. Oh. How about you, Quentin? Do you make games? Are you a game dev as well, or are you trying to just get into it, or what are you up to? Yeah, he's missing a frame. Let's see. Sprite animation data. Earth Dragon. Attack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no. Oh no. That means there's a problem in the sprite player. Oh god, this sprite player is gonna kill me. Okay. Let's see. Now I've got -1 here. Do you think that's wrong? I'm currently making a AC 130 game. Hello, Deformed, and hello, Dujank. Welcome. There he is. Good to see you both. I'm currently making an AC 130 game. I don't know what that is. Similar to COD Killstreak. I've heard of Call of Duty, obviously. I wanted to make an AC 130 game too. Oh. AC 130. I think I remember playing this in Call of Duty 4. And I thought about how horrific it was. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I understand. It's nearly as bad. You know what's worse than that, though? The idea of drones and this buzzing. If you ever watched videos of drones in Ukraine, and the buzzing that and the way they they buzz around you and you hear the buzzing and then you die. Oh my god, that's the worst. I have PTSD just thinking about that. So is this the problem? Will it crash if I do this? Maybe. Let's find out. Right, because it would +1. Ah, yes. So we actually do want size here. Ah. Oh look, I already did it here. I did it properly there. Yeah, it's actually plus. It's actually. I suppose that's fine. Although I haven't properly looked at it. But yeah, Quinton, if you want to show me, and if you've got anything to show off, I'd love to see it. Okay, let's try that. Oh, and let's go to the Earth Dragon. He needs to move down. Like here. Well, see, he didn't. I don't know if maybe I don't have my sound effects on and that's why I didn't hear it. But he didn't use any sound effects. I do have it on. Let's try again though. Oh, I hear it now. Oh, then... Oh, it's got stuck. He did play it, though. Oh, because it clamps. Interesting. It looks so much better. All right. Yeah, I suppose it does. Do you think it's the clamping? Hang on a second. God, there's so many little bugs with this. Okay. Then what I need to do is think a little bit more about because it's clamped. It's clamped. You know what you should do? It's this, and then put this at the top. Yeah. I know. By the way, I'm deciding to switch back to Godot. Because I see that Unity will have problems. I don't know when. Because I remember there was 1% per install. And it's not safe because I don't know what would happen. And now I'm trying to learn Godot. You're talking about the... like, yeah, they were gonna take some money from you if per install. I think they reversed that decision. And it's okay now. It's back to just you only pay if you make a certain amount of money. I think. Yeah, it's been reversed. It's all a little bit confusing. I'd prefer an engine where you just either pay for it all in one go, like you just buy it like Game Maker or RPG Maker, or you use Godot and it's just free. Want to learn Godot? Yeah, open source. Yeah, it's nice for sure. So you're back to Godot now. I love Godot. It's also lightweight on your machine versus like Unreal. So what sort of engine do you use, Latimore? I think I did this though. You've got to change the order of operations so that yeah, like that. So this one. Oh my god, I refactored my sprite player and now it's even more confusing. It does work better though. I'm using Godot now and it's pretty simple and easy to learn. Yeah, I like GDScript a lot. I think it's... by the way, I got a question. Where do I learn Godot for 3D? I don't know. I've never even looked at 3D stuff. I'm sorry. I'm sure there's tutorials on YouTube. I'm sure there is. I'm sorry I can't help you. All I would say is that ultimate tutorial that I showed you before, the German guy, that's 11 hours long. It's pretty good. That'll teach you the basics. And then you can maybe, after that, you could move on to like a 3D project. Unless you feel confident about just diving in and trying to learn it by going through the docs and stuff. You know, going through this sort of docs. I'm in 3D now, but start by looking up like a first-person controller. Yeah. Just get your character moving around, I guess. Um, okay, let me think about this. So it's changing the order of this. Is it? It's doing this. Doing it first. Hang on. If current animation index, what's this? Right. Oh, it gets so much more complicated now. It's not equal special. Why it's getting more and more complicated. I have to be able to simplify this, surely. You know? Surely. I have to be able to simplify this. And then this has to become an NF. This has to become an LF special animation free dot size equals 0. But for learning GDScript, you can try GDScript Quest. It touches on the basics, and you can start making FBS controller. Yeah, that's good advice. I like GD Quest. I also like this guy. Coding Quests. They have very similar names, but they're actually different people. Oh look, 3D RPG action. There you go. Let's see. So what are you complaining about now? I misspelled it. Special animation to size, and then immediately say I can simplify this. I can put this inside here, can't I? And then what I can do is here, in here, I can put if current animation index equals special free go frame, I can emit the signal. So that simplifies it a little bit, right? Then what we have down here, we have special animation. So you do that. Yeah. So if it's at size, so it's gone above the array size, then it won't do this. It'll skip ahead here, and it will say if your special going frame was -1, i.e. you didn't have any oh wait. No, that should be fine. Special animation free.size equals 0. Special 2. Oh, hang on. Equals -1. Special 3 equals false. Current animation. Yes, because that will go here, and that will go here. Then this will fire off. Okay, I think I've done it. Now I need to copy paste. I'm going to copy and paste all of this and then change all of the variables instead of like trying to work it out. Hopefully that's okay. Let's find out. So change this to 1. Change this to 1. This to 1. Ooh, hello. I found a mistake here. Okay. Special 1 go frame. Current animation index. Current animation go index. Special ability go. Special animation 3.1.size. Yeah, just use the attack animation. Special 1.size equals 0. Special 1 go frame. Special 1 animation finished. 1, 1. Two, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yep. There we go. Everything is equals to 2, 2. And then finally we've got 3. Just go over it. It should be fine though. 3. 3. 3, 3, 3. Attacking. Okay, let's see what happens, mate. I hate doing this bug stuff and like trying to fix things because it feels like you're making no progress, right? And this is why I hate refactoring, because it feels like you're making no progress. But I had to do it because it was really buggy. The animation player was really buggy. Okay. Okay, it's playing the full animation now. Oh, they're not playing the death animation. What do you think about that? Firstly, let's go here. Let's move you forward a tiny bit. Let's go to the hero sprite. Let's go to special 9. Let's go to effect marker and put the effect marker here. Then, what else? This was too slow. What else? That's it. And then what I need to do is work out why they didn't die. If dead. Okay, let's just make sure they died. So print hero death animation. We might want to do this again. No, we don't. No, we don't want to do that. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Right? Right. And then you will want to check if special again, I guess. And then do this. Then if special one, do this. Did I put an if on attacking? If attacking, I could use a return instead of this, by the way. Yeah. Good as that game. Yeah, I've made progress on Godot 3D. I was watching tutorials and it worked. Awesome, mate. That's great. Now just make the game. All right. Let's go again. I will. I'm proud of myself. Good. Awesome. Just make game. You wait GTA 7 in no time. Ooh, nobody died. Oh. Ah, I see. Yeah. Ah, I'm excited to see whatever you make. I love speed. I'm making something 3D in Godot. It's actually. I have a feeling it's. I don't want to say this, but maybe more difficult than making something in Unreal. Because you can't use the asset library or whatever. Well, I guess you can. You just import Blender files or whatever. I don't know. You can't like buy blueprints. I don't know how it works. I've forgotten. You have to do everything yourself. Although I suppose there's an asset library that people make. Yeah. Morgana, why are you moving forward? I didn't see them die though. Oh, they died. He died. Okay, cool. He died. Nice. You gotta do everything yourself in blueprints. It's just called blueprints because the background is a grid. Oh, right. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you did explain that. You do still have to do it all yourself. Right. What else was I going to do? I was going to increase the sound effects for the Earth Dragon. So 12, 16, 16, 8. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is call it good. Yes, save and close. Okay, I think I can move on with my life. Okay. So I get to tick anything off after all of that? No. I don't think I get to tick anything off here. But I fixed it and it works. Okay. What should I do now? I suppose I have to do the mage. Level up world. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Level up. Mage, level up world. So, this is meant to be an owl. The Athenian owl. Athenian owl. Yeah. Am I sure I want to make it look like this? because this is crazy. This looks kind of crazy. Look at this guy. There's a fur coming out and everything. Is there any other examples on a Athenian apple owl? Athenian owl. They all look like this. Yeah. You don't want the modern ones. You want to make it look like the ones on the coins, because that's the real Athenian owl. So yeah, this is it. It's got a weird beak, a very strange beak. I wonder why it's like that. They don't all have that though. But that's interesting. It's like an arrow. Yeah. Okay. So. No ears, which is strange. All right. I think what I did before was the best thing to do, which was to just like unlink all of the nodes and start again, basically. Yeah. If I press up, does that work? No. Okay. Gotta do it by hand. Should probably have some breakfast in a minute. Some more coffee, some more breakfast. All right. Nearly there. Unconnect all of those, and then I'll probably have a break. Okay. There we go. All right. I will be right back. Right. I'm back. Let's design this owl. And I probably will give it ears. Where were the eyes meant to be? I can't really see. Don't really. Let's just move the eyes like this. They should be round, completely round. There's one eye. And then they're quite close to each other. Like very close to each other. Just realized that's uneven, isn't it? No, it's not. There you go. 2 eyes. Can I draw a box? I can't. Okay, never mind. And it does have that little dot there in the middle. Look at that. That's interesting. No, interesting. Okay. I think I will. So now I need to give you like a little bit of yeah. So we have our dot in the middle there. Like that. And then we have our beak comes down like that. So yeah, the entire face is the eyes. I'm actually looking at this one a little bit. Because I could put another circle around that. But we have the body to make, that's the problem. Yeah. And then we have, this is almost straight, isn't it? Coming from about here. It's pretty much straight. And then it curves down. To a point. That's all of the. I think I moved something. Hang on. Then put you like somewhere here. And then we'll probably move all of you. If possible. Like here. Okay. I could shall we add the ears in or not? I should definitely add legs. Right, so this was nicely ordered as well. I like that. All right. Oh, 37 is in the wrong place. Where's 37? Let's do that. Make sure 37 is in the right place. 37. Yeah. 38. So let's put in these legs actually. I don't know if that really looks like legs. Maybe. Probably not. They're probably too big, although this one does. Hello, Spurg! Hello, welcome to the stream. Is Jolt working in Godot? I've definitely heard about Jolt. Yeah. It's, you like, you go to physics, and you go to 3D physics, and then you put in your Jolt physics, but you have to add it in somehow. Interesting. You have to add it in. I can't remember how you do it. I mean, Redot. Yeah, it works in Redot, yeah. Welcome to the stream, Spurg. Are you making a, are you a game dev as well? What sort of game are you working on? Okay. I'm not entirely against this so far. Right. I might make the wings longer. And bigger. Going to be a Fallout type low poly game. Wow, that sounds awesome. Sounds really good. Yeah, I like Fallout. Is it going to be like old Fallout, like isometric? Or is it going to be new Fallout, like FPS? Okay. And then, yeah, I think we're going to add in the little ears. So that'll add a little bit. That'll be way better, I think. And yeah, these legs are a little bit too big. These feet, I mean, just add more to the wings. I want to make it play like Fallout 3D, but mix it in with GTA 3, Vice City vibe. Interesting. So it's almost going to be like a cyberpunk game. That's awesome. My star game, really? Oh no. That's like my worst game. But thank you, I appreciate it. I really am disappointed with how that game turned out. The problem was I like I made the game, I over-engineered the game, and then I found out I wasn't enjoying it. When I was playing the game, I was bored. I was like, oh shit. I made a boring game. It's cool. Like the way it's cool because like I made a whole what do you call it, pathfinding system. I created a whole like how the missiles like track you and how the enemies shoot ahead of you instead of shooting straight at you. Like I created all this like crazy systems, and then I found out that I wasn't enjoying the game afterwards, and I was like, oh shit. Let's just finish it and move on to the next thing. So yeah, but I appreciate you playing it. Thank you. Unless you're talking about Starforge. Oh, you might be talking about Starforge. Are you talking about Starforge or are you talking about Spores of Starfighter? It's probably Starforge. Starforge I'm proud of. I'm proud of Starforge. At least you got some experience. No, this game I like. I'm still at the top. This is like a Starforge, yeah. Sorry, I was rambling about my other game. But yeah, of course, you're talking about Starforge. Yeah, in this, it's like a match-free game. And you sort of try to get the biggest triangle you can. It's been a while since I played this game, so I'm a little bit rusty. I'm gonna run out of time here. It always lags on the first one, unfortunately. What did you make Starforge with? This is Godot. That's what you mean. But it's basically just Kenny assets. Do you know Kenny? All the stars just Kenny assets, and then the background I made. Oh, it was there for a second. Yeah, in this game, it seems like you don't have much time, but you actually have plenty of time. Because each time you get a success, the timer goes up. But it's at an what's that called? Exponentially loss? What's exponential but the other way? I don't know. Exponential. Imponential. Exponential. Ponential. Ponential. Imponential. Unponential. I want this to happen. If I just wait, maybe. Nah. I've lost it. I'm not going to beat my high score. Oh. There's a good one. Maybe. Yeah, that ain't beating my score. Oh well. Now, does this look like an owl? How many noses do I have? 65? That's pretty good. I think this looks like an owl. Okay. Let's connect them up. And this is infinitely easier because... Don't tell me these are all skill Tempest. That's annoying. Okay. Can I do this? Why not? Why wouldn't I be able to do this? Attack. No skill. Skill level 1. Stat bonus 1. Plus 1. Okay. Then let's connect up these lines. So I want to see the connections happening. I don't know about that. Okay. Okay. Then I want to go up these ears. Probably like this. Probably like this. Yeah. Wait, where's that connected to? 13. So you need to connect there. And then you need to connect here, 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 here. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. 18 and 18. There we go. Okay. And then we're down here again. And that should connect to 50. Okay, let's have a look at what that looks like. Let's delete some things I don't need. I will need Sylvester in a minute. I probably don't need this. This will open up anyway, despite whether I want it or not. Don't need this. Might need this. Don't need this. Or do I? Might need that. Okay. Go to the world. However, I need to go to global data. I need to go to current player party. We need to get rid of, I don't know, Orphean. We need to go to all hero repository. I need to go to, where are you? Nimue. Copy. Then I need to go to my player party. Nimue. Then I need to go to stat points 99. Okay, let's have a look. So all right. Okay. Nice. That looks fine to me. Let's keep on going. So now I can sort of see a little bit better where I need to go. Probably down here. Actually, let's look at my picture. Yeah. So from you to you and back again. Then you. Oh no. I'm getting addicted to Age of Empires 2 again. Don't do it. Well, you can do it if you want to. Yeah, I fucked up. Hang on. I might have to add to the tool script, like, if it is not self. Or whatever. That's fine. I don't want to mess with the tool script because it's working and I don't want to break it. Okay, I think I've done it. Hang on. Okay, let's have a look at that. I mean, Age of Empires is a beautiful game. I like it a lot. I remember just making campaigns in the editor and like giving them to my friends, and we would play them. That was the best way. That's the best thing in the world. But Age of Mythology, that was even better. Age of Mythology, making your own campaigns in Age of Mythology. Interesting. Interesting. I love playing ranked and being toxic. So yeah, I think I have to make the head bigger. Because if we look at this and try to compare these guys, the head is way bigger than the body. So let's start there. I'm just going to move down here. And then make this even smaller. And then I'm not confident that I like the legs, right? But let's leave it for now and see how I feel about it. Oh, does it work like that? Oh, weird. Okay. Let's have a look now. Oh, you know what else I wanted to do? Make this a sharper beak. Yeah. I mean, inevitably, it will have to change because we have to make various paths, but Okay. That's actually immediately looking a lot better. Yeah. You know what though? 28. Oh, interesting. 27. Right. 7. Okay. What else should we do? I mean, I just want to add more nodes in down here. Right? But let's think about that later. For now, what I'm going to do... Like, I'm not super happy with it. It's not the best thing in the world, but I'm not going to spend all my time worrying about it because it's a waste of time. I have to make it and move on. So let's begin to think about the different regions of the map, as it were. So I'm tempted to put Firestorm. Well, okay, Nimue starts with Tempest, but Balmain starts with Firestorm. So you need to... I mean, the first obvious thing is to separate this, to disconnect this, right? Yeah. So let's disconnect this. So that's 55 and 58. Okay, so those two are disconnected now. That'll make one area here that we can easily do. So I will probably make like this one. This one I'll make Firestorm, and this one I'll make Tempest. And I'll disconnect up here. So but we'll have it uneven. Like we'll go you disconnect from you, so 19 and 14. And you disconnect from you. So 12 and 17. Okay. Then we'll make it, so your Firestorm. So I might have to disconnect these two. Yeah. Yeah. So probably move you down like that. Yeah. Yeah. And then disconnect 59 and 2. And disconnect 10 and 64. Okay. And then this one becomes, so this one becomes Firestorm 2, and this one could be Firestorm 3. Then coming down here, we can have Cyclone. So, Cyclone. I believe it's Cyclone Quickness. Right? Yeah. Haste, basically. Cyclone, Quickness, and Weapons of Sharpness. So I need... So I've sort of got one area here. And then I got to split the wings into 2 different areas. So I'm probably going to have to add a bunch more nodes, which is fine. So let's think about this one. Could be Weapons of Sharpness because it's the claws, right? The claws, and they're sharp. So this one can be Weapons of Sharpness. No, it should be like this one here. So we need to disconnect this. So 56 and 24. Wait. Okay, I'm confused. I'm gonna stop because that doesn't make any sense. I might have already disconnected them. That looks good, by the way. So this one is Tempost here. So I have to disconnect these 2, but for some reason they're already disconnected. I'm confused by that. Okay, let's just start again here. Okay. So you come here. This one is Weapons of Sharpness. We disconnect you. No, we add in a new node. Sure I didn't. Okay. Disconnect you, put 31 and 37. 31, 37. And I'm going to connect you. Right. So it starts there. This is optional. It goes up here. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. So these disconnect. So you and you disconnect. So 31 and 57. So you disconnect. And you come down here. This is weapons of sharpness here. This is like an optional little thing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So that one's, yeah. And then this one's weapon of sharpness here. Let's put some of this in so I know what's going on. So skill, weapon of sharpness. And then it's this one, 2, skill. And then it's this one, 2, skill, level 3. And then up here is Tempest. Sorry. Tempest. Skill. And then you are skill. Tempest. Level 2. 22 2. And then you are skill level 3. You are skill Firestorm level 3. Skill Firestorm, Firestorm, Firestorm level 2. And then you are skill Firestorm 1. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, that looks correct, I think. Yeah. Yep, that looks good. And then I'm going to have to like add in a bunch of nodes here, separate them out and stuff like that. Wingpoo, hello. Is the forehead right? Well, no, I have to split up the forehead, unfortunately. Because they have to be separated. Because you go up the skill tree and they have to be separated from each other so that you can't go from level 2 to level 2 or level 2 to level 3, I guess. And then good. How are you doing, Wingpoo? Great to see you. Waiting for mead to ferment. Interesting. Really? You're making your own mead? That sounds like a lot of fun. Oh, in Valheim. In Valheim. Yeah, she finished sent back to the game. All right. Let's see. I guess let's separate it out here and here. So we'll put, yeah, I got this. So you and you disconnect. 52 and 51. I want you to connect to this guy and you to connect to this guy. Then I want, yeah. So you come down here, disconnect these two. Did I do that? 28 and 51. Did not. 28, 51. Then disconnect these two. $52 and $51. Okay, I already did that. Connect these two. Wow. So these two get connected. Like so. So you get, let's say, quickness, because it's the wings. So quickness 1, quickness 2, but this becomes optional. So home, home. Quickness 2, 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3. So you disconnect from 47 and 32. Okay, so that's quickness 1, and then that comes down like this, and then we need to add in a bunch of nodes. So actually, I'm going to move you up there. One, 2, 3, 2. Where does it start? Here, so 2. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. With something optional over here, perhaps. Okay. So this connects there. This is a triangle sort of thing. Let's just start this again and then, apart from 52, start again. Okay. Okay, I think that'll look good. So this is quickness, skill, one, 2, 3, skill, quickness, 2 and 2, 1, 2, 3, skill, quickness, 3 and 3. Then we have Tempest and Cyclone. So skill, Cyclone, 2, 3, skill, Cyclone, 2 and 2, and then this one is skill, Cyclone, 3 and 3. Okay, I think I've done it. And it actually doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. That went okay. Oh, I didn't mean to do this, but that doesn't look bad at all. That looks really good, actually. I like the way that it does that. Actually, that looks really good. Okay, awesome. Actually looks better than I thought it would. Okay, cool. I'm not convinced that the legs were a good idea, but I don't mind. Right. So. $21 for Nimue and 7 for Balmain. Let's see. So constellations data. Nimue. I've already forgotten. 21 and 7. 21. Oh. Which one is 23 false? 23 false. Weird. Okay, whatever. Where are we? Balmain, 21 true. 21 false. and 7 true. Copy 7 true. And then what I want to do is I need to test that. I need to test that and make sure that's okay. So let's go to, that might be 23 false actually. And then go to the, get rid of this, keep that, go to our main, copy, no, sorry, copy, go to this, get rid of we're gonna need Eleanor. I don't know why well, I need to test things, so I need I need everybody available. Let's get rid of Isolde for now. No, you need Isolde, otherwise things are gonna break. Yeah, get rid of Oriana, I guess. You need the front line. Fuck. Get rid of Rhea. Okay. Yeah. Party management. Party. Nimue. Nimue has Tempest. Excellent. But Balmain has Firestorm. Excellent. Okay. Cool. So now what I need to do is test it. Test it all with Nimue. Right. Make sure it all works. Oh, I found a mistake straight away. Really? There we go. Does it work the other way around at least? It does. Alright, Dark Void, great seeing you. I hope you have a good sleep. See you later, man. Let's fix that right now. I'm thinking about it. Let's fix that right now. Okay. Okay, everything appears to be working. It was just the one mistake, which I fixed. All right, so now I need to go through everything. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to balance out the skills perfectly, and then I'm going to unbalance them. So what that means is that I'm going to go like attack. So this is going to start hit points 4. Then it's going to go attack 4. Then it's going to go defense 4. Then it's power 4. Then it's stamina 4. Speed. Then it's back up to hit points. Attack. Power. Stamina. Because a mage should concentrate on power. Power should be the main. Just curious why an Athenian owl for mage. Yeah. Because, you know, Athenians... Yeah, the problem is it's meant to be wisdom, isn't it? But I can't think of an animal that is associated with knowledge. Didn't think about that. Yeah, but I mean, wisdom really. What I need is like an animal that represents knowledge and intelligence, not something that represents wisdom. But I don't know what that is, so I went for an owl. To think about that. A fox. A fox is sort of sneaky and crafty. It's not necessarily intelligent. A tortoise. Anyway, stamina, speed. Hit points. Attack. Defense. Power. Stamina. Speed. Hit points. Attack. Defense. Power. Stamina. Speed. Hit points. Attack. Defense. power, stamina. Oh, so many more to go. Speed, hit points, attack, defense, power, stamina, speed, points, attack, defense, power, stamina, speed, hit points, attack, defense, power, stamina, speed, hit points, attack, defense, power, stamina, speed, hit points. Okay, I have a plan. I have a plan. On the edges, I'm going to change all the edge points, if that makes sense, to power. And that'll make it really, so it'll start off balanced, but then be unbalanced on the edges. And I think that's a better way to do it, actually. I'm thinking about it. Like, make it fully balanced and then unbalance it on the edge. So something like this here, that should be power 8. Something like this should power 8. So power 8. Power 8. Unfortunately, I need to like have the game open to see where the edges are, unfortunately. But it'll crash. It often crashes when I do that. Very annoying. I'll take like a screenshot or something, perhaps. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So weapons of sharpness, power 8. then all of these down here are special. So, but maybe we won't make them all power. Make 2 of them power. Power 8. And then maybe I'll make this one. It could be hit points. Yeah, that's fine. And then down here, we'll make 1 of them power 8. Let's do stamina 8. And let's do okay, let's do speed. Fine. Then we go down here. We're looking at power 4. This one, make this one power 8. Then we're looking down here. Power 8. Then we're looking here. That one, power 8. And that should do the job. Let's have a look. Frog in frozen vegetable bag. Meow. Hello. Welcome to the stream. I don't know if you've been here before. I'm sorry if I've forgotten you. I have a feeling you have been here before. Right. So that should, by the way, is this fixed now? It is. Okay, good. That should make it uneven and leaning towards power significantly. So I think I'm pretty happy. Awesome. So that is the mage tree done. I thought I fixed this. Did I not fix that? Oh, I didn't save it. There you go. Okay, so we can tick off the mage. I've got the cleric and ranger to do. But man, I don't know that I want to feel... Oh, I don't want to keep on doing these because I need to do them, but I kind of feel like doing something else now. Yeah. Shall I keep on streaming? I don't know. I think I'll probably call it now. Have a little bit of a break and then carry on with my game. But yeah, I think I'm going to call it. So thank you everyone for watching today's stream. I really appreciate it. Thank you Frog and Spurg and Darkvoid and Quinton and Wingpoo and Deformed and Temp and Nerd Mansion. I hope you all have a fantastic day, a fantastic weekend, and hopefully Nerd Mansion streams later on today. I'm looking forward to it. But I will see you all later. All right. Bye.